You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very useful, very common word in English, but that confuses a lot of people. Many mispronounce it. So let's go through the correct pronunciation. In British English, the pronunciation in the UK is as currently, currently. The stress is on the first syllable, currently. In American English, US pronunciation is similar as currently, currently, American English pronunciation versus currently in British English. And now, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.